My name is Dar and I'm here to show you how to get fit at home. Got some of my favorite pieces of equipment from Take A Lot today for today's workout. Right, so today's workout is going to be a full body workout and it's going to consist of 6 exercises. Each exercise can be done with or without equipment, and each exercise we're going to do for 45 seconds on and 15 seconds rest. Here we go. Exercise 1 is going to be a speed skater. Exercise 2 is going to be an in and out squat. Exercise 3 is going to be a reverse lunge twist. Exercise 4 is going to be a jumping knee tuck. Number 5, windshield wiper. And finally, a glute bridge. Okay, so first up we've got speed skaters. So you're going to stand about hip width apart, right, both toes pointing forward. Go across with your opposite foot as if you're skating on us. Touch your opposite toe. Nice and easy, head down, tuck your tummy in. Okay, so next we've got the in and out squat. Squat on the inside, squat on the outside. Keep your feet nice and flat. Rings under tension, nice and low the entire time. Okay, reverse lunge and twist. Lunging back with my left foot, twisting to the right. So opposites all the time. Stay nice and low. And turning it straight back. Arm straight. Remember opposites. Take a big step back. Swell backwards again. The front foot. The knee should never overextend past your front leg. Jumping knee tuck, both feet bottom foot apart, palms up down. Put both these up towards your palms. Land flat feet and repeat. If you don't have a band, you can do it without it. wiper, side to side, keeping your legs as straight as possible. No bending the knees. Rotate your legs side to side. Maintain as if you're wiping the windscreen. Right? Keep your lower back nice and flat. Focus on your breathing. Deep breaths. Don't have a ball. Do it without the ball. Same movement. Glute bridge, feet flat on the ball, waist nice and firm. Right, back to come in, squeeze your glutes, upper back nice and relaxed, and alongside the body, and hold.
If you want to know where you can get some of the equipment that I use today, check out Takealot Home Fitness section. Don't forget to follow us for more free fitness workouts.